Hi guys, hope you are doing amazing. So in today's video, we are going to talk about a brand that offers customized hair care regime based on your doshas, and the products are based on Ayurvedic formulations. I'm talking about Vedix. This is my first time coming across such a brand. There are a lot of brands that offer customized hair care solutions, but this is the first one I've come across which is completely based on Ayurvedic recipes, Ayurvedic principles. And here you will be classified under 3 doshas. The doshas are known as Prakriti, so each one of us or every person has doshas in their body. Those doshas are primarily categorized under 3 names. First is Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. So Vedics have Ayurvedic doctors that customize your hair care routine, that approve your hair care regime based on your dosha profiles. Each formulation is customized, and all the base formulations are different for different people. You can order 1 month, 3 months, or 6 months regime. You have to answer simple questions based on your hair, body, lifestyle, preferences, etc. Then you can order your customized Vedics box. I received mine around 3 weeks ago, and this is how my kit looks. It has anti-hair fall oil, a hair regrowth serum, and then I have a shampoo. Now all the Vedix products are free from silicons, parabens, sulfates, because silicons and sulfates are really harmful and damaging for your hair. This is the anti-hair fall shampoo. It has plant extracts like aloe vera, yashti madhu, gunja, bhringraj, and quinoa protein. Now the hair regrowth serum is an innovative hair serum. This is very lightweight and water-like. It doesn't feel oily or sticky at all. You can apply it every day. Anti-hair fall oil. So Vedic's anti-hair fall oil consists of dosha-specific herbs. So each and every product here is customized based on the questionnaire that you fill. And each product has a detailed ingredient list. So even the quantity of that particular ingredient is mentioned. The base of all the products, like for shampoo, oil, or hair serum, is different for different person, completely based on the dosha analysis. And as per the brand, people can see results in 3 to 6 months of usage, depending on the severity of the issue. If you are facing severe hair fall, you might take more time. So I have been using these for almost 3 weeks now. I am not facing any hair fall issues, but for the overall maintenance and hair health, I have been really loving, especially the oil. It is a bit thick. It is like the regular oil. It doesn't really smell strong. I apply oil in my hair at least 2 hours before I go for hair wash, and then I wash it with the shampoo that has been recommended to me based on my dosha profile. And this shampoo lathers up really well. It washes off the oil really nicely, and it is sulfate free and silicone free, so it's not going to cause any damage. And the third product is hair serum. The hair serum is recommended for everyday use. You can use it every day, probably during the night before going to bed. This is a water-like serum, so it doesn't make your hair or your scalp oily. And I have used so many hair revitalizing serums, and these work really well because they work on your scalp directly, and you just leave them in your hair for a longer period of time, so they get a longer time to work on your scalp and to stimulate it and promote regrowth. And you can get a refund if you're not happy or satisfied with the results. So if you are facing hair fall issues, I think you should give this one a shot, because it is based on Ayurvedic recipes, and they customize each and every product based on your dosha assessment profile. So each product is different for each customer, and since they have qualified Ayurvedic doctors to formulate the recipes, there is no question of error. I highly recommend you guys to go and check out Vedic's website. I'm going to link it in the description box. Do not forget to check out the website, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.